Future continuous tense in cooking, describing ongoing culinary endeavors when it comes to cooking. The future continuous tense plays a crucial role in describing ongoing culinary endeavors. By using this tense, we can discuss what will be happening at a specific point in the future. This allows us to paint a vivid picture of the process of cooking and the actions that will be taking place in the kitchen. Let's dive into some illustrative examples to understand how the future continuous tense can be used in cooking. Tomorrow, I will be chopping vegetables for the salad while the soup simmers on the stove. In this example, the speaker is describing a future moment where they will be engaged in the activity of chopping vegetables while the soup is cooking. The future continuous tense helps convey the idea that these actions will be happening simultaneously. This weekend, Chef Sarah will be grilling the steaks as Chef Mark prepares the marinade. Here, we see two chefs working together to create a delicious dish. The future continuous tense highlights the ongoing nature of their actions, emphasizing that Chef Sarah will be in the process of grilling while Chef Mark is preparing the marinade. Next month, the pastry chef will be piping frosting onto the cupcakes as the cakes bake in the oven. This sentence showcases the coordination involved in baking cupcakes. The future continuous tense illustrates that the pastry chef will be in the midst of piping frosting while the cakes are still baking, highlighting the multitasking nature of cooking. By the time you arrive, I will have been simmering the sauce for over an hour. Here, the future perfect continuous tense is used to describe an action that will have been ongoing for a certain amount of time by a specific point in the future. This sentence conveys the dedication and effort put into simmering the sauce to achieve the desired flavor. In a few hours,